Do you want to know why you are stagnant at one position and despite all the potential you are not doing at your best? There are some reasons for that. It's enough. Now it's a time to exit your flop era and enter into the hit era. There are certain tips, mindset shifts and practical tips you can incorporate into your life to become the best of the best. This video is all about that. So let's deep dive into the topic. Let's start with chapter number 1. Change your environment. Your environment plays a huge role in your personality. Your environment should be free. The mess around you should be free. There should be no mess around you. You have to clean your environment in order to think clearly. Declutter your physical environment in order to declutter your mental environment. So there is a huge role of environment in our personality in order to become the best of the best. We can be at best, we can use our potential at best when we see things around us clear, decluttered, flourishing, peaceful. So your environment plays a huge role in your personality, so your environment should be clean. Chapter number 2. Incorporate the atomic habits into your life. We all talked about the atomic habits. What are atomic habits actually? These are some important habits that lead us towards growth, that lead us towards grooming, that lead us to become the best version of ourselves. So what are atomic habits we have to focus on? There are certain things we have to focus on, but there are some essential and basic points I want to mention here. The habit number 1, we should have to focus on our physical health. Physical health plays a huge role in our mood, in our hormones, in our mental health. When our physical health is at best, it will lead us towards the good mental health, and it helps us to work more productively, to work more actively, and to work more clearly. That's why in order to have the clear mental health, in order to have the clear mind, we have to focus on our physical health, which plays a huge role in our, hit era. Physical health, you can improve your physical health by doing exercise, by going on a walk. If you are not an exercise sort of the person, just try to go for a walk. Just move your body in order to, make your body fit and healthy. It will lead us towards the good mental health. Mentioned, to enter into your hit era, your physical health helps to clear your mental health. That's why we have to focus on our physical health. The habit number 2 is also take care of your mental health. When you take care of your physical health, your mental health will start automatically improve. And you can also improve your mental health by consuming the realistic and most motivated stuff around you. You can, incorporate yourself into the more realistic content, consume realistic content, motivational content, and also be present with your family, with your friends, and talk with other people, talk with intellectual people. Surround yourself with the people who motivates you, who helps you to become more intellectual, intelligent, and push you to achieve stuff in your life. Habit number 3, I consider is the most essential habit to enter into your hit era. What it is? It is scheduling, to do time blocking. You have to know what you are doing in your whole day. You will do in your whole day. You have to be aware about your, task. You have to know what things are essential in order to become the best of the best, what things are essential in order to achieve your goals. So you have to do the time blocking, you have to make your timetable, you have to assign each task a particular time that you have to complete in your day. Everything you have to do in your day should be arranged previously. Habit number 4, improve your intellectuality. These all habits, as you can notice, these all habits are interconnected. If you follow one thing, you automatically will follow the other things. And this is the beauty of these habits. This is the beauty of how when we follow one thing, we automatically start following the other beautiful things in our life to become the best version of ourselves. So what we will follow? We have to improve our intellectuality. How we will improve our intellectuality? By surrounding ourselves with the intellectual people, by surrounding ourselves with the content which improve our intellectuality, which improve our knowledge, which broaden our horizon of knowledge, by doing certain things, right? So you have to read books, you have to surround yourself with the people who motivate you, who push you, and who give you, who tells you about something that you already don't know. And if you know about these things, you will get to know about the different perspective of that particular topic. So it is essential to surround yourself with positive people, with an intellectual people, which helps you to broaden your horizon of knowledge. Let's move further with the next chapter. The next chapter is improve your hygiene. Your hygiene plays a huge role in your personality, in your hit era. You have to be clean. You have, the clean girl aesthetic. You have to follow that, because when you clean yourself, when you are in your hygiene era, you feel also good about yourself. You also feel good and motivate about your personality, about your everything around you feels so fresh. So it is important to improve your hygiene. Other people will also attract by your fragrance, by your clean girl era. So it is important to clean yourself mentally as well as physically. Let's discuss about the chapter number 4. It is very close to my heart. Explore different niches. Explore as much as you can. There is no point to stuck at one niche. You have to explore. You have to try different things. You have to, if you are in a particular field, if you are studying one thing, but there are certain things you have to try. Like if I talk about myself, I am from the microbiology department. My major is microbiology, but and I'm passionate about the media field. I'm really excited. I feel very happy whenever I talk with camera, whenever I talk with people, networking, communication. These are all my habits. And I also do love painting. I also do very different things. I also do traveling. I also there are different niches. I can't explain that right now, but this is the beauty of different things. You have to know about what you can do, what are your capabilities, what are your full potential, what you can do. There is no one stagnant point for you. There should be no one stagnant point for you. You have to explore the different niches in order to get to know about your full potential. Let's talk about the last chapter. Appreciate your efforts. Appreciate yourself. Go to give yourself a beautiful treat. Appreciate your efforts and acknowledge your efforts, because you are doing so hard in order to become the best version of yourself. That's why you are watching this video, right? So it leads us to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate your time. And don't forget to take care of yourself. And on this side of internet, we are committed to becoming the best version of ourselves. And I would love to if you appreciate me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Until next time, see you soon. Bye bye.